Okay, let's go.
Hello banditas, senoritas, look at this beautiful BMW E28. Now it's 1:08 engine with the carburetor that break my brain a lot, but I will change it. I will change it on a Chinese Weber DJV, as you know. I don't remember the letters, but yeah, I already installed the coilovers, but now it's like lifted. I will put it down because now it's like really difficult to, to paint, to do all the work. So it's just arrived from the painting. Look how it's beautiful now. Nothing, it was like little bit rusty. But the guys from USA Customs, they done it. So now it's like a new one. What do you think? Do you like this one color? The new shiny green, racing Irish green. Of course, all these the bumper will put on, and the giants also. Now it's like the old one, shitty, but I will change them. Subscribe, put the likes, and ciao guys. On the weekend, this weekend I will go to Bulgarian rally. Also will make some video about it. You will see. Push the button like subscribe, and see you on the next video.